Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got ASP in pursuit of a Chevrolet Camaro. Shout out to Police Pursuits for the video. Original video will be in the description. Welcome to the show where I watch police chases. I'm JTSpeeds. This one gonna be good. Grab you a snack.
Get out my way.
If this your first time watching my show where I watch police chases, if the cops catch the bad guy, I clap it up for him. I got some donut holes in this case. Usually I'll have a donut with a hole, but I got that and some apple cider. Make sure you grab a snack and kick back. This is gonna be a good one. I ain't even see the vet fly by. Where is it at? The vet is the perfect machine around the police. I'm not saying run from the police, but you see them vets black out on the cops, man, and I seen one video of a vet juking a cop out literally in a car, and the cop crashed into another car, pedestrian.
We're rocking made a left at 20th Street. Left at 20th Street, going back towards Woodrow. I lost sight of it. I can discontinue.
I'm Chevy gang, y'all. You'll see the the logo, man. So that cop couldn't find it. Another ASP unit sees it zooming by. That's just to see by.
Correction, East on 12.
What generation do they call these Chargers the cops got? Because we got a newer generation Charger, so technically you're driving the old Charger. If you don't know, I was involved in the automotive industry. I'm from Michigan. And when I was just 18 years old, I started working on show cars. And I did a little work on the new Charger before it came out. I knew about it before the general public and whatnot, which is pretty cool. And I honestly just feel like that car is my baby. Honestly. Wow. It took 3 units to catch this thing, bro. Did he try to get behind it like calmly and shit? I look at it, it's snatching off. Who's gonna catch it? It's been 3 cops now. He lost 1, lost 2. He's on his 3rd cop. I don't think I'm gonna get a donut today, y'all. What the heck? I know he better park it up if he get away. How fast are these cops willing to go on these streets like this? I'm curious. 150, he said? No way. Why the pickup truck trying to get in on the chase? Like, bro. You ain't catching that thing. What is that, Little Rock PD? Brembos. That was a good move by the vet. He was gonna run into an inevitable pit. Eventually. Wrong side of the road is crazy. Look at this. Look at this dude.
I'm on the wrong side trying to get back on the right.
Yeah, boy, he's just going down now. They're going east. This time
He need to get the flip on, dog. These cops ain't playing with you, my boy.
this car's golden. 80.
Oh, you got a different view. Damn. 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 Now they got you.
Some of your fucking ass! Some of your fucking ass! Some of your fucking ass!
Why they trying to tear up the vet? You see this guy? Just go hit the unlock button, loser.
We know you got to tell them.
See, these cops got the ego involved. Okay, so it's just one guy, they pushing him on the car, they don't want the extra shit.
What the fuck you doing, man? You can't fucking drive good enough for that car, can you?
Bro, I didn't mean to cut you off. I didn't see how close.
Oh, no, you're good.
Yeah, you passed me, and I was like, oh, his headlights are still coming.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I didn't see him. And they said he just turned east. I thought they turned from Parker. I was like, I
It looked like a C6 from this angle, I don't know.
What's your name, dude? Huh? You hurting?
Left leg, your left leg, and then I busted my leg.
Yeah. You're lucky you didn't fucking die, bro.
No, I have no excuse for any fucking thing I did. I just wanted to get home and just end this nightmare. But I should have stopped.
Yeah.
I should have stopped.
Should have stopped the first time, the second time, the third time. Well, we're not Little Rock PD, man. We'll keep chasing the fuck out of you, obviously.
I know that. And I fucked up the
Left leg, he said his left leg hurting a little bit, and he busted his lip. I know. No.
Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm a paramedic with Mia. Where are you hurting at?
Man,
Left leg. You see that?
that's gonna be the most attention you get, bro. You're gonna be locked up in a cell, bro. That shit.
We're gonna follow you.
Not fun.
Okay.
At all, bro. It's the worst
Go
feeling.
get some vitals on you, okay? Go ahead.
Having somebody see about you, bro, like after you know for certain your freedom is at jeopardy, dog. Just that little bit of attention, bro, you appreciate that. A woman come in the cell, you know what I mean? Say, hey man, you good? I heard you busted your knee. You feel me? Like they give you a little bit of hope. You still not getting your freedom, but you know what I mean? Well, let's clap it up for ASP. I thought y'all was taking the L, honestly. I'm sorry. Don't get aggressive with me. They gonna hit they said, you think you hot shit? They were mad. They took that one personally. And hey, I understand, you know what I mean? They keep getting cooked. It was only a matter of time before they started catching these guys who were running. Donut. Pretty good. I know ASP one here. I think I don't want to bit out of. Got a little apple cider too. From Blake's. If y'all know who that, what that place is. My people from Michigan. Y'all let me know what generation vet that was. I don't condone running from the police. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it. I've seen countless amount of things. This guy's lucky he kept his life. Them vets is pretty much just all paper mache, fiberglass. So at least he could walk away into the back of the cop car. You know what I mean? No officers got hurt. No pedestrians got hurt, I hope. No property was damaged. Maybe the curb, a couple light poles. If you want to join the liftoff gang, first, the initiation is to smash the like button. Smash, 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 smash the like button. Leave a comment. Tell me I'm ugly. Tell me the vet was slow. Tell me ASP is clowns. Tell me ASP the GOAT. Tell me Trooper Bird the GOAT. I don't care. Leave a comment, man. Let me know how I can make these videos better for y'all. And if you want to join the liftoff gang, smash the subscribe button after you do those two things. And you with it, you know what I mean? Anyways, it's been a good one. I love y'all. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace. Thought the shit was sweet. Now I'm in the club throwing ones on these cheeks. Pockets so steep. Man, they feeling heavy. I just bought my bitch a Jeep. And they know I got it. I might charge your ass a fee. Bitch, I'm super P. I got a group of bitches and they wanna pick with me. The J's got behind. I just told the driver flee. That bitch is really bad. She